Master the art of Beef Wellington, a show-stopping dish perfect for special occasions. Here's what you'll need. Season the beef with salt and pepper. Sear in hot olive oil over high heat until browned on all sides. Let cool. For the Duxelles, sauté mushrooms, shallots, garlic and thyme in a pan until all moisture evaporates and the mixture forms a paste. Spread Dijon mustard over the cooled beef. Lay prosciutto slices on a cling film, spread the mushroom Duxelles on top, then wrap the beef tightly with the prosciutto using the film. Roll out the puff pastry, place the wrapped beef in the center, and fold the pastry around it, sealing with egg wash. Brush the entire pastry with egg wash. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for about 20-25 minutes, or until the pastry is golden. Let rest for 10 minutes, then slice and serve with your choice of sauce. Enjoy this luxurious Beef Wellington, a centerpiece dish that combines tender beef, flavorful mushroom Duxelles, and flaky pastry.